Miñones! Stone Dog! And it's Cinco de Mayo in Portland, fucking Oregon! Okay, that's about as far as my Spanish goes. Bye. My beloved stepfather, Angelo Oliveira, was of Mexican descent, and I've never been to the Cinco de Mayo festival here in Portland. So I decided we will check it out, my minions. This is Tone Dog with another Dog About Town. Okay, my minions, here we are in the delightful waterfront. This is Tom McCall Waterfront Park in Portland, fucking Oregon. And I love this town. It's beautiful. I mean, it was a lot more beautiful before people wrecked it, but it's getting better. And anyway, as I walk down here, I'm just, I don't know, preparing myself for this festival of which I've never been to. Oh yeah, and I did the research, and Cinco de Mayo for the Mexican people was kind of like our 4th of July, but it was when they finally in the 1800s, I don't remember the date, but they run the Spanish out and took their independence as their own nation. But in Mexico, I guess, they really don't celebrate it as much as they do up here. But this is America. We take everything and corporate exploit the living crap out of it. And I don't know if you minions have noticed it, I'm in a pretty good mood. And I'm not feeling a lot of pain. But I went to the doctor, and yeah, I've got a slipped disc, and they want to do surgery. But, you know, well, that's neither here nor there. They gave me a shot of something that shall remain nameless, and right now I'm feeling pretty good, okay? Gotta wander around out here like I'm a friggin' tourist or something, huh? I don't get it. Okay, my minions, I guess all of that was just a prelude where I made it to the front gate, and I'm gonna work my way in. There's not much of a line, but it seems to be filling up. So we'll wait in line. Okay, there we go, my minions. $20 to get into Cinco de Mayo. I remember back in the day in the Marine Corps when I could go all the way down into Tijuana and get a blowjob for 10. But hey, times have changed. Oh, here we go, mi minions. Cinco de Mayo in Portland and fucking Oregon. What should we do first, huh? There's actually quite a few people here wandering up and down the Midway. Do you wonder, man, look at those people dangling up there. It looks like it could probably make me throw up. But how about this one? I don't know if I could do that one without tossing my cookies either. You know, I ain't as young as I used to be. Now, what I'm going to do right now is just kind of wander around here like I usually do on Dog of the Dead and just look at some of this stuff from a bunch of different directions, right? Sometimes these kiddie rides look a little safer. I'm pretty sure I could deal with the mini roller coaster without blowing chunks. And so I do wander about like a tourist sometimes, but nah, man, I was born and raised in this town, so I ain't no tourist, I ain't no poser, but I do, I am an idiot, I'll give you that, you know, it happens when you're on the spectrum, and then once you've had a couple of drinks, a couple of hits off the old vape, and then the doc gives you a big old shot of Dilaudid. You know, they gave me a prescription for Vicodin, I think, too, but I don't like that, man. That makes me sick, so I ain't gonna take that. But I am gonna enjoy myself while the Dilaudid is doing well. All right, now here's some cotton candy. Do I need some cotton candy? I don't know. Should I get cotton candy? I don't think you know what? It's that kind of crap that would cripple me for life at this point. Because see, I feel like I could handle that, but my back's already fucked up, isn't it? That's what I thought you said. Okay, my minions, I think I found what I've been looking for. I'll wait in line here. And here's the line for the Fiesta Bar. But I have no problem standing in it because I'm in a fiesta type of a mood, my minions. Yeah. Portland, fucking Oregon, my minions. Gotta love it. And holy shit, my minions, look at the size of that beer can. Here. I got my own. Mexican beer so good. Goes good with gelato. Okay, my minions, I've waddled my way down here to the far end where they've got the mariachi band. We'll check them out. This has been Tone Dog with Dog About Town, and I'm about wasted, so, but not too bad. So I'll probably call it a day. I'm gonna find a hot dog or a churro or an elephant ear, something to soak up some of the alcohol and crap that I've had to put up with all day. But I'm getting washed out, Bob, you son. So I got to do a little better with that. Okay, I decided on a street taco here. These gentlemen made it for me. Here's their shop out here. Looks good. That ought to do me for a bit. Now, I will have a good day. You too. So, now I've done everything I think I need to do at Cinco de Mayo. I'm going to eat my taco. Here, kind of got to fold it up. That's good. That's good. And so my minions, I wander about, eating my taco, drinking my cerveza. Okay, well, and they said I gotta drink this before I go out here. But I'm gonna do that because I'm about ready to go home anyway. So let me finish that in here. I've reached the edge. Yeah, they wanted me to finish my beer before I walked out into the open area, and I decided to finish my taco too. Pretty goddamn good taco up here. And so my minions, let me wipe the taco off me. But this has been Tone Dog barking at you from Dog About Town at Cinco de Mayo in PDX, Portland, fucking Oregon. And as you can see about it, I had a good time. Everybody's having a good time. But now I'm gonna go home and have heartburn because that was a spicy taco. But it was worth it. Peace, my minions.